Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at A&L RV Sales right here in Jackson, Tennessee. Hang on to your popcorn, Phil. This is Phil's trailer. He loves this Cougar camper right here, so we're going to take a look at it just for Phil. It is a 2026 Keystone Cougar HT, model number 29RLP, so let's get started. The length on this Cougar is 33 feet 7 inches. The dry weight is 7,875 pounds with a hitch weight of 990 with a GVWR of 9,790. Viewer request.
This is a request. Now it has been a little while since we have done a Cougar travel trailer, and I just like to say that they have changed up their graphics a little bit. They went for a while a lot of mostly black and white, but now they're bringing some of the gold back in.
So this is the 25.
Yeah, the kind of the champagne-y
Yeah.
color.
So,
and so
man.
if you can remember back, probably about 4 years ago, they did a lot of the kind of brown. So they're kind of bringing back some of those richer colors. I really like it, actually. Now that I have rambled about that enough,
All right.
right up front you have got an electric jack. Your propane will go under those covers, and you will put batteries right back there behind it. Now your connections are going to be right in here, and it does have an electric leveling pad. So
Yeah, it's got electric.
yeah,
You can get electric leveling on these now.
4 points there.
Me and Phil had talked about that.
And your solar cutoff is in there. It's been prepped for an inverter. And
Solar, what'd you call it? It's a solar charger.
solar something right
Something. Yeah, there you go. That's good.
there. Because
And
I'm
you've-
such an expert.
You've got access to your water pump and all that stuff back
Yeah,
there.
right back there.
Whew.
Yeah, so I don't need any hate comments telling me I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm well aware of that.
Well, all right.
All right. Well, right down here is going to be one of your
Your pools are under there. Your dump.
yeah, your dump area, and the pool is right next to it.
Well, there's two more over there, but your
Well,
gray tank and your black tank is right here.
okay.
And there's one right there.
Yeah,
Okay.
but it comes out to one central.
Yeah, that's what's pretty good about it.
Yeah.
Tankless water heater, Phil.
Da-da-da. And again, they're calling this half-ton. That does not mean pull it with a half-ton truck. That just simply means it's a little lighter weight.
Whew, it's already 33 feet and some change.
Yeah, it's a good-sized camper. Now, it is going to have a cable-driven slide here.
And we've
this
talked
is-
about this.
We have on some other ones.
Safe view power inlet.
Yeah.
So this will light up.
And we'll let you know that
Your cable.
everything's good to go.
Yeah. Your campground power. That's what I'm
Yes.
trying to say.
Because sometimes that campground power can be sketchy.
Sketchy.
All right, you do have a ladder here to get on the back and a spare. You're also going to have a receiver hitch down here for an accessory rack. And this window is at the back, and it is so nice. So very nice. All right, your front slide, again, is another cable-driven slide. We know some people are concerned about that, but just, it's like anything else. Just do your maintenance. It's all good in the hood.
We measured these awnings as 10 foot, but they could be 9 foot. So Phil, let me know if I'm right, 9 or 10.
Yeah, take your pick. Whichever one you want them to be, that's what they'll be.
Because Phil has done his homework on these units.
All right, here is the other side of your pass-through storage. This little edge thing right here is new.
I like it.
Yeah, and then you got your buttons there for your awnings. Love that. Light switches. Yeah,
Not sure what all that does.
some of them should be at the front.
Well, I haven't hit the right one yet.
Prepped for tire link.
Oh, there it is.
And then if you want your TV outside, your satellite and cable hookup is all out there. I don't know if this is, I don't think they can Well, I don't know. Anyway, you do have some really great lights on the front cap. I don't think they're going to show up in this sun, though. Let's go in and take a look at this one. As you come in, all your controls are going to be right there, so super easy to get to. And this is going to be a rear living. Guys, these windows are just amazing. That's why I wanted to point that one out at the very back. So if you like your lakes, this is going to be a great view. Now, right at the very back, you are going to have a sofa. It is going to make into a sleeping area.
We do have a light.
Some nice storage up across the top. And if you'll notice that Cougar has gone back to some of the warmer wood tones up here. So, welcome back to the browns.
This is really cool.
It is. It's pretty. It is really pretty. You've got end tables on both sides. That's going to have power. You've got USB. There is open storage on both sides of those. So, great place to stash stuff. Your very front slide is going to have your theater seating. Got some cup holders there. You do have a USB on the side. Great place to hide your remotes. Again, big windows, just big windows, and they have really good lighting in this.
Oh man.
Now these the chairs are in transit mode, but they just unstrap and sit up here. And we're just going to kind of talk about this table because this is a new feature that Cougar has done this year. It's called their Flex Dinette. So it'll come out and it'll slide and go up under there. So I'll show you this diagram here. Maybe the glare won't be on it. So yeah, you can do the configured like it is now, or you can turn it and do 2 chairs. And then you can move your ottoman out and actually prop your feet up on it in front of the couch. So I really like that they give you options instead of just a booth where you only have one way to do things. Alright, now if you sit here in your theater seating, you're going to be right in front of your entertainment. I'm going to say that's a 40. Looks like a 40 to me.
Yep.
Oops, sorry guys, I didn't mean to cough. Then you've got this neat little shelf area right below it. What really would you use that for?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's barely big enough to put your remotes on. Maybe it's just decorative.
Ooh.
Then you do have a electric fireplace there.
Sorry, I went ahead and got ahead
I know.
of you.
You
start rambling sometimes.
I'm rambling because it's lunchtime and I'm hungry.
Well, hurry up. Let's go.
I'm always hungry for some reason. Anyway, back here is a great pantry area. So you've got all of this storage. You do have some hooks over here and a power outlet. So if you've got, one of those powered vacuum sticks, or I don't know, I guess if your Roomba had a long enough cord, you could put that in there. Into your cooking area. So you're going to have a microwave with storage on both sides of it. This is not solid surface.
It's some kind of wrap, but it is so good. It is a
wrap, but it looks so close to the solid surface that they put in the big cats. I mean, it will fool you for sure. You're going to have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven and a matching drawer down here. Storage on both sides of that. In your island, nice big sink with a high-rise faucet. Plenty of space underneath for a garbage can. And then you got, wow, let me close this up so you can see this. You got 2 big drawers. And then a little smaller cutlery drawer up there. Now let me show you this real quick. This is going to have heating in the floor, but I also want to point out that both slides are flush floor slides, so you're not going to hit your toes on those. 12-volt compressor fridge, and I think we pointed this out on one earlier. It tells you how long that you can keep food in the freezer.
Well, I like that.
It never lasts that long for us.
And then
we have a dog that eats everything. Yeah, so if the pantry over there wasn't enough, you have even more right in here.
You know, when you do have the posing slides like this, oh my gosh,
Yes,
the room.
it makes a huge difference. On your coffee bar over here.
Well, now I can see why Phil likes this one.
Oh, well, yeah. I like it too.
I like it too, yeah.
Good storage up there. You got some storage, and then your fuses are going to be down there and covered up. Got a plug in right there, so great spot to put your coffee pot.
You got a light there too, huh?
You do. I'm just backing up because I just love how big this living and kitchen area is in here.
I can step in the shower.
Yeah, and the shower actually has a lot of antifreeze in it, so we're not going to track that throughout. But it's quite tall, and there is a skylight, so you should have no problem with head height.
Because Phil may come and get this one.
You just might.
He might do it.
Got a really nice medicine cabinet over here. Again, not solid surface in here, but you've got good area around your sink. Your traditional Cougar layout here, you do have storage underneath and then 3 drawers. Your heating is actually going to be right down there. Porcelain foot flush toilet, and that is going to be a 30
by 36.
30 by 36. That's actually the same size as our shower.
Yeah.
So, really nice.
Very nice.
Then you've got a towel bar up here. We're not giving this one the plunger because there's no designated linen closet.
Yeah.
But you know, you do have some space underneath the sink that you can fold your towels.
Okay.
All right, let's move into the main bedroom.
I love these new light switches that they put in here.
Yes, and let me show you that too.
You can dim them.
Right there, and they do have a dimmable option. And then, of course, this is going to be your AC control because you do have a second AC in this bedroom. Oh, great storage back here. You have a hanging rack, and then this shelf will remove if you have long hanging items. On your nightstand area, you are going to have, let me get back here, pull-out drawer, and this is going to be on both sides. You also have power and USB underneath there. Nice big windshield with a blackout shade on it. Yeah, really, did not point out this is a queen size bed. You do have some storage there, and there's your sink covers. Not sure why they put sink covers under there.
This is what's pretty cool here.
This is really nice. This is definitely something new for the Cougar travel trailers is to put these drawers
underneath. I like that.
Like that a whole lot. That makes that space much more usable. But we're not finished. Hang on, there's more. You still have some more drawers over here. And I'm going to hand this to him to show you that area.
All right, there is your hanging bar up there. And there's all that closet and your drawer right there.
Right, and if you want to bring a TV back here, that mounting area is going to be right up there above his head, above the window. And the heating is right down there in the cabinetry.
Whew.
Yeah, really nice. Now, something else I also want to point out, we're not using a weird angle. The roof line in this does actually have a slight arch to it, so that actually gives you some more headroom here in the middle of your camper.
All right, everybody, if you like this Cougar half-ton travel trailer, the rear living, the dealership's information, it'll be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs up. What do you think, Phil? Leave us a comment. Thanks, everybody.